Hi, today I'm going to make chocolate lily flowers. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials I'm using are crepe papers in green, and this is chocolate brown colored crepe paper, a green colored pencil, thin wire, thick wire. These are yellow colored pips, small ones, and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the petal. This is 4.75 by 1.5 centimeters. The stem is 1 by half a centimeter. Cut 6 pieces. This is for the pistil. This is 3 centimeters by half a centimeter. Cut 1 piece per flower. And these are of the leaves. These are 9 centimeters by 2 centimeters. The small one. And the stem is 1 by half 1.5. And the bigger leaf is 11 centimeters by 3 centimeters. The stem is 1.5 by 1 centimeter. Now take the piece for the pistil and make 3 cuts on one side. About half a centimeter long, and then just curl them like this. Now I've cut a piece of thin wire, and this is about 10 centimeters long. So now just take this and apply glue. Take the wire and just wrap it around. Like this. Now take the 3 pips, put them at the same height, and just fold them over. Put them on the wire below the cut of the pistil. Take a little bit of the green floral tape and just wrap it on the base of these pips. Like this. So this is how it will look. Now take a petal and take the green pencil and just draw strokes on it. Like this, and on the other side too. Like so. Now just stretch the base of this petal a bit and then just curve the top. So you get this kind of a shape. So I'll do with the others also. Now take one petal and just apply glue on the stem a bit and attach the second one. And a third. Then just apply glue on all of them. And just wrap it. So this would come, just above the curve. Like so. Then take the rest of the petals one by one and stick them in the overlapping areas. like so. Now take the green floral tape, just cut out a little bit. Stretch it and just wind it from the base of the flower till the end of the wire. Like so. And now just open out the petals one by one. Just position them. Open them out like this. So this is how the flower would look. Now take the small leaf. First just score in the center to show the vein, and then just curl it like so. So I have already made another one. So these would be the same as the number of flowers, and these are the bigger leaves. So these you don't need to curl, they are kept straight. So now just take the green floral tape, just assemble the flowers, stretch it, take one flower and give about 5 centimeters of the stem of the flower. Give 1 or 2 twists of the tape and then attach the leaf. Then I'll attach another flower. Do a little gap first. And the second leaf. Then give a gap again. Now attach all of these bigger leaves on the wire at almost the same place in a kind of a whirl. So you have one, second one, third, and fifth. I'll just open them out. So this is how the flower would look.